everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 535 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out a type of product that I've never tried out before. So this right here, the Anti-Feather Color Lock, is a lipstick primer. So how that's different from a typical lip balm, I'm not too sure, but I'm excited to try it out. And so I got this from Shopmissa. So this was only $1. It's cruelty free. I mean, for only $1, I'm willing to try it out. But honestly, if this was, say, $10, I don't think that I would feel like it's worth trying, just because I don't really have any issues with feathering of lipstick. And if I do have any, I'll just make sure to use a lip liner with those lipsticks instead. But I love to try out different types of products, so I was excited to get this from Shopmissa and see that it was an option on there. So here it is. Let's see how much product you get. That's as much as you get for $1. I mean, it's $1. Let's see, is there a scent? No, I don't get any scent from this at all. Let me see, a little swatch. Feels just like a lip balm, but it does have a little bit of shine, kind of hard to see on camera. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to my lips, and then I'm throwing it way back to one of my very first products I ever tried out on YouTube. This is the Pure Liquid Lipstick in the shade Key Red. So I remember that this product would kind of give me feathering when worn alone without a lip liner. So I figured this would be a good product to try this primer out with. But gosh, if you want to see my review on this, I'm sure it's going to be a little bit embarrassing, but I will have that video linked down below. Okay, let's see how this is. It applies and feels like a lip balm. Ooh, it really hydrated my dry lips too. So that's nice. I mean, just as if I were using this as a lip balm. It feels nice on the lips. It looks good because it has a little bit of sheen and it really helped hydrate and smooth out my lips. So on its own, I do like it. Now let's see if it has any kind of anti-feathering priming effects. So this lipstick, it is like a matte formula. It's kind of dry, so this could be the perfect primer for a product like this. Okay, lipstick is applied and I feel like it's less of a dry matte finish right now. So this lip balm underneath, this primer, I should say, did kind of change the overall texture of the lip balm to make it less of a dry matte. And I would kind of describe this as almost glossy, more of a classic lipstick finish. But the edges of my lipstick right now look absolutely perfect. There is no feathering whatsoever. So I would say that this lip primer really worked. But what I want to do now is do a kiss test. Yeah, so there's quite a bit of transfer. I wasn't sure if it would stop, but that's the thing. It's not really letting the lipstick completely dry down, so there is still going to be some transfer, and I love lip products that have no transfer, for especially going out eating and drinking if I'm going to wear a lip product for a long time. So that is just something to keep in mind with this lip primer, that it's going to still allow some transfer. But I think it looks so good. I'm really happy with this combination. I'm so impressed that this was only $1, but it really worked. no feathering. So if feathering is an issue that you have with lipsticks, I would definitely recommend trying this out for only $1. And let me know in the comments down below if you have tried this, because I would love to know if it works for everybody else. Wow, that was very successful. This is definitely a product that I'm really glad to have in my collection now. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.